Say you niggas gon' remember me. Sweep 'em up, one of the niggas that clean the east. They say I died dead in the streets. Instead I'm getting high, getting head on the beach.
I said them niggas gon' remember me. I'm sipping on Moscato, Hennessy. That's a little fucking mixture. I'm so gone, boy, I'm fucking twisted.
I remember the time when I was fucked down, caged up, only 16. Old heads tell me get my age up.
I remember the time I was 13, used to have dubs at work, see-through bags, purple leaves.
I remember the time punching in on Ransom Avenue, 57 popping, stacking yours, haters mad at you.
I remember the time I used to get it in every day. Now I'm trying to stack my cake with the cream, anime.
Jackson, baby, they all gon' remember me. Swag still surfing, even if I'm gone for a century. I'm in the coupe cause they picture me. Got some young bucks from Cashville, no, not Tennessee.
I got love for you haters, so I ain't mad at y'all. I'm running laps around you clowns like a marathon. It's just some sunglasses, Jaguar or the dawn. It's flash game bomb first, fuck you tag along. Tonight, this gon' be a night I'll remember.
After tonight, this gon' be a night I remember.
I used to write, but now I say fuck it. I'd rather use the ink to get that tap money.
And you niggas sound rusty, run around, spend they pack money. I'm a G, they never take that from me. They love me.
Catch me sipping like I got time to be wasting. Pussy, money, and weed, all I need to be wasted.
Young Jeezy, I need a vacation. 1,000 faces of death, you niggas ain't face it.
You could catch me dressed for the occasion, eyes like amazing. Off that piffery, I be high levitating. It's like that boy caught up in the Matrix. I stay fly, I'm on my paper plane shit.
I'm on the beach in Florida, I'm in my trick. And they ain't talk about money, they don't speak my language. Yeah, I'm shining, yeah, I'm on my gang shit. This money we getting, make you wanna join the gang quick.
Hey yo, I feel you on that one, nigga. You know, we play around with this shit, man. Hey, what up, dawg?